Top and the Treasure Hunt. Top is a very special duck in the green forest. While other ducks like swimming in the lake, Top prefers standing on the shore and reading books. He always wears a big square pair of glasses that almost covers his small face. Today, Top is reading a very interesting book called The Secret Guide to Finding Treasure. He is so focused that his glasses keep slipping down to his beak, and he has to push them up again and again with his wings. Top believes that all answers to every problem can be found in books. Suddenly, Top hears a sniffing sound behind a bush. He looks up and sees Rot, a small squirrel, sitting sadly. Rot looks very disappointed, with his hands nervously twisting together. Top waddles over to Rot. He pushes up his glasses and asks in a serious voice, "Hello, Rot. Are you in trouble? Did you lose a big treasure?" Rot nods quickly, with tears almost falling. "Don't worry," Top says loudly. "This book says that treasure is often hidden in the most unexpected places. We will find it together." Hearing this, Rot wipes his tears and smiles with hope. Top starts turning the pages to find clues. Following the instruction on page 10, Top leads Rot under a giant lotus leaf by the lake. The book says treasure is often under the biggest things, Top explains. They both try hard to lift the leaf, but they find nothing except a sleepy worm. Next, Top reads page 12. Where there is mud, there is hope. He leads Rot into a muddy puddle. They search everywhere until they are covered in mud, but the treasure is still missing. Rot starts to feel discouraged. While searching, Top suddenly trips over a big rock and falls down. His oversized square glasses fly off, and he starts feeling around the ground with his wings to find them. "Oh no, I can't see anything," Top cries. Rot quickly runs over to help. When he looks down, his eyes suddenly light up. Right next to Top's glasses is a bright red button shining in the sunlight. "I found it. This is my treasure," Rot shouts happily. It turns out that Rot's treasure is just his favorite lost button. Top puts his glasses back on and smiles. He realizes that sometimes books say one thing, but real life needs a little luck. They both sit under a tree and happily share the last pages of the book.